Welcome to a band exercise workout for your shoulders and back. This is to reduce pain in the shoulders, neck, and back, and to open up the chest and the front of the shoulders. I'm Jennifer Wagner with Collective Wellness, and again, a band workout. First things first, do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any of my sessions. I have 5-minute, 10-minute, and full workouts all on my channel. So don't forget to check those out. And then I will also attach a chest opening stretch workout that you can do on the ball that you can do after this too. So let's get started. First, have a band, preferably with handles. Those are a little bit more of my favorite, but you can do them with just regular TheraBands too. Grab the ends, and then you're going to grab the band itself. We're going to be chest height to start with. And then I'm going to turn sideways so you can see. Chest height, wrists are nice and straight, so you should have a straight line in the wrist there, palms facing down. So we're going to do what's called a slide back. You're going to slide back and slightly push out with the band. Slide back and slightly push out with the band. Just a little movement. Band should be snug, so there should be no give. See, there's the give. Make sure it's snug the whole time. Wrists are straight. And then just adjust your hands accordingly. Sometimes it takes a little bit of play. Okay, stabilize your right arm, left arm goes back, and then switch. It's just like this from the side. So we're working the arms unilaterally. Squeezing the shoulder blades, wrists are still straight, shoulders down. You always want to put those shoulders up. Keep those shoulders down. Chest is open. Right. So we're getting the back, the shoulders, and your upper back muscles. Those all work together. Helps with your posture. Make sure your ears are back. One more each. A little bit of a break. Shake it out. Okay, now we're going to do that together. Pull back and together. So like a reverse fly, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Good, keep going. Move my hair out of the way. You can see what it looks like from behind. Squeezing those shoulder blades together. I gotta adjust my band. A lot of times what's happening with this muscle imbalance that you have with the pain in the shoulders, or if you've injured yourself and you need to recover and strengthen, is that we have weak back and shoulder muscles, our external rotator muscles also, and then we're really tight through the front end of the body. One more. And shake it out. Good. All right, a little stretch to the neck, shoulders. Kind of loosen those up again. Okay, put the band down on the floor, one end. Step on it with your left foot, and then left hand has the band or handle. We're going to do a forward raise, but I want you to go into a staggered stance first, or like a lunge. Lean forward, and then you're going to extend up and down. Abs pulled in tight. Chest and hips are facing the floor. We're working through the deltoid, the shoulder. You can adjust the strength by how tight the band is. You need to loosen up to make it a little bit easier. You can even bend the elbow too if you need to, but you're still hinging from the shoulder joint. So are you taking the lever in to make it a little bit easier on the shoulder joint? But if you see how I'm still hinging from the shoulder, not the elbow, I'm just bending it to get it, to keep that, bring that lever in. One more. Okay, switch sides. So you don't have to turn around if you don't want to. It's okay. I'm just switching for visuals. So your right foot has the band, your right hand has the band. Step into that lunge, hips and chest facing forward, and then you're going to go right into that forward raise, hinging from the shoulder joint. Again, if you need to change your lever, you can bend your elbow, but you're still hinging from the shoulder joint itself. Abs pulled in. Keep breathing. I don't ever count. If you ever notice, if you ever work with me as a trainer, I don't ever count. I tend to just kind of watch. Like, oh, we're getting close. I can see your body shaking a little bit. Let's do 4 more. 4. Remember, you can change the lever or change the resistance by the band. 3. I think that was 3. 2. And 1. Shake it out. Good. Okay, 1 more. Now, if you haven't realized that the variations that I'm doing are all done without having to hook this band onto things, there are a lot of ways, and I will do a video soon where you can do the exercises by hooking them on, or if you see how I have a cable system that you can hook the bands onto things and do more variations. But until then, we're doing this without, so you can do this anywhere. So you're going to grab the handles, palms facing up, and then you're going to grab the band itself, palms still facing up. I want your elbows into your sides and then pull your elbows back. A lot of times we end up having our elbows forward. So pull them back and have a 90-degree angle in the elbows, and then have your wrists nice and straight. We're going to be activating our external rotator muscles by opening up and then closing. But if you see how my arms are not moving away from the body, and I'm keeping my wrists nice and straight, so fingernails in, it's a little trick to help straighten those wrists. A lot of times they're like this, so bring your fingernails in, and that will straighten them out. External rotation. Now, if you've injured yourself, or you're recovering, or you just have really weak shoulders, you may not be going very far out. That's okay. Keep doing this workout, and it will happen. You'll increase that. You may have to adjust the band strength too, but keep the band snug though, okay? Couple more. 4, 3, 2, and release. Shake it out. Good. All right, just a few stretches. Put your band down. We're gonna go into a forward bend just to kind of relax those shoulders. So feet are hip width apart, and you're just gonna curl down. Just let those arms hang and just kind of wiggle them out. Chin is tucked, shoulders relaxed, and just stretch. Deep breath in and exhale. Go ahead and curl up. From here, we're going to open up. So we're going to reverse what we've been doing of strengthening. We're now going to stretch and open up the chest muscles. So the back muscles have been activated. So this should be really easy to do because that's helping those muscles stretch. So fingers spread, open up your shoulders in the back. Go ahead and bring those arms up higher. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands down, either holding onto an imaginary ball or clasp those fingers together. Pull your elbows back, chin is back. Okay, rock your head side to side. Knees are soft, so we're not locking our knees. I'm just stretching to the shoulders and the neck. They get strained pretty easily without realizing it. Turn your head side to side. So keep squeezing those elbows towards each other. And release. Deep breath in, reach for the sky as high as you can. And exhale. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a little picture of me, and then you'll have a video for stretching. So if you want to go further in opening up the body with a ball. Have a great day. Bye.